So do you want that one to discuss about the question paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me. This boy did not join, no? Like author. He said it is difficult. Question is very difficult. One minute, huh? Okay, so let me see my screen. Okay. Okay. So see the Pooja, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll start the recording, ma'am.
So this is your first question, this one. Okay. See, this is one array. Huh? Array name is alphabet, variable name is alphabet. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we are using splice function. Now, this is, this is the, this 2 indicates the start from where we have to splice. Okay. 4 is the how many characters. You need to, the splice function will splice how many characters from starting position 2 to 4 number of this one element on the so splice you can apply only on scalar array variable. Okay, and this is basically replaced. Okay, so this element should be replaced by xyz. Okay, so we want to print and also we want to print this array, both array. Okay. Now, what will be the answer and why? Which one? Which option, A, B, or C? And why? Okay, first, can I run this program?
It will be first option.
1 minute. Shall I run this one?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is program name is PP1. P1.pm. Okay. No, this should not come. I think something is we are. What is the problem? Okay, I'm okay. This is one mistake. Actually. Okay, so this is first one is the correct answer, huh? So why first one is the correct answer? This is the correct answer, no? See, this is, anyone can explain?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether everyone understood why the first one is the correct one? First option A is the correct option. If you like, please let me know. And okay, anyone can, any one of you can explain why the first one. First thing is, see, this is a double space, but in Google form there is no there is no option to give this double space. Okay, so that's the reason I gave without space here. This second option. This is 2A and I have given. Okay, so that's the thing to new line character related. Now, why alphabet 1 is XP keyword and alphabet means the this array is XP keyword and second alphabet is the and second array is the XYZ. Okay. You want to explain? Anyone other?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like we have the first array X, Y, X, P, Q, R. And then we are in the second statement we are using the splice function, and here whatever we are splicing it is getting assigned to the array alphabet 1. So here we are splicing from the element at index number 2, and the next 4 elements will be replaced with the X, Y, and Z. And whatever is being present from the second index to the next 4 elements, it will be assigned to the array alphabet 1.
Okay, let me explain this. See, first print is alphabet 1, no? So here, but we are applying splice function on this this array. Okay, because splice function you can apply only on array value. Array. Okay. So this one two is basically the index number, right? From where you have to splice starting position of this place 1 0 1 2. So this 4. So next 4 character, next 4 array element. Okay. So XP keyword. So this is actually that will be replaced by XYZ, and that is reflected in alpha. This array, original array. Okay. So that's why when you are printing this one, that is just you are the splicing out XP keyword. The next one, this one alphabet, original alpha, this array, original first array. So that all these changes will be same. Okay, so this is basically XY, and this is you are splicing out and replaced by XYZ. Okay, even there is only 3 elements, but this whole one will be replaced by XYZ. So this one is replaced. So that's why first this one alphabet you are getting XP keyword, next array is the XY, means the changed one, XYZ. So is it clear? Each and everyone? Everyone it is clear? Do you have any doubt? Let me see. Do you have any doubt? Now itself, please ask me if you have any doubt. I think it is clear.
Ma'am, in this program, no doubt.
Okay, then fine. Can I proceed? No? Can I proceed?
Yes.
Second one, see. Now see this one. So I think this when I was teaching this variable, the second problem, when it works whether we can assign more than one line. Okay. So yes, you can do. Okay. But okay, sorry, we have used here. Now, see, this is just I have created one variable. Okay, that is the name is candidate. Okay, now see this line. Okay, so you are assigning. So this is the key name, no? This one key. The names are key name. Also, this only just these are the key name, and this is the index number basically that you are taking from here. This is 0th index. This is 1. This is because you have here more than one values. Okay, so 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so now see the key with the key name. You are retrieving the index number 2. Okay, so here the index 0, 1, 2. So this country name will be segregated. Okay, in this array. Okay, array name. Okay, so the next one also the key name, and here the index number this India, this one name. So all this one key name. And this array, sorry, this is the index number. Okay, so for first one, when you are printing this one, okay, so you are joining. Now you have one array and you are joining all the elements. So here for the first one, you will retrieve for first one, that is extracting here the country name. Okay, for the second one, next country, but that will not be in order. Sometimes you will not get in order. But we got in order to one minute is calling. Please come in that. Okay, so see, you are joining with this one comma. So which one is the correct option? This for first print, this new we are printing. So this time then second one, see, the difference is that we were using the index number 1. Okay, so that means the subject. So that's why you have to use the join option. So you are getting the subject. So that's why the correct answer is the B, option B. Is it okay? Do you want me to run the program? Shall we run, or you understood why it is?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Then we understood.
Okay. So here, see this option is here. This is with key and without key I already made. So this is the correct option. Okay. Now the third one is that you see this is can you, some problem is coming, some noise is coming. Can you mute yourself? Okay, like string. Okay, so this is one. Okay, I wrote 2 times here. This is actually this one. Okay. Now, see, I have applied this function. You know the role of this function, no? So you are applying substitute function on this scalar variable, and you can use this function only on scalar variable. Okay. So now this function, what is the minimum? 7th one means starting index number. Okay, from where you have to extract, means make substring. Okay, so this is the starting index. -3 means it will. Okay, this -3 is
Third last.
Third last. Okay, so if you print, So 2 print option I have given. See, this 2 print option I have given. Okay. So which one is the correct one and why?
The first one.
First one. Okay.
The first one will be the whole string. Perl uses object-oriented programming, and the second one will be uses object-oriented program. That
So
will.
option B is the correct one.
Oh, yes, yes.
Option B is the correct one. Explain why. So
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Author, did you understand the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now see, there are 2 prints option. Okay, so obviously we'll get that aim is new line character is also given. So this for this print, what will be the answer means output, and for this print, what is the
Ma'am, for the first print, we will get BioPerl uses object-oriented programming, and for the second print, we will get uses object-oriented program.
because see 7th also this is it's actually
Substring.
so that your but your first print is this one.
Yes,
The
ma'am,
main
the
string.
original string.
And this is the changed one, string one.
Yes, ma'am. That is from index 7, starts from index 7 to the third list.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means from here. This is U is the that index number U is basically 7. Okay. So from the end, but -3 means that you have to start from here 1, 2, 3. So this is will be omitted actually. -3, 1 omitted. So actually you will get so from here to uses to this double N. Okay. So that's why we are getting double N. Okay. So this is which one is the correct one? This B actually. Okay, B is the correct option. Okay. So is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If not clear, just let me know. Same splice function. So this one I will explain later. So same concept we have used here. Okay, the 5th one. Which one is correct? Actually, now see. So list 2. The name is list 1. And it's storing A, B, C, D. You know the meaning of 2 dot. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yes, ma'am.
So 6 letter. Okay. Then you are printing this one. But see, here you are printing just at the rate list, no double quote. So that means you will get
No spaces.
no spaces there. Okay, so this is correct. This is also correct here. Third is not correct. Okay, now among the A and B, which one is correct? Okay, so first for the first print, you are getting this one. Okay, because there is no double quote here. If it is a double quote, you will get the space between the two elements. So the first print you are getting, the next one, so the same concept of substring we have used or splice function we have used.
Splice we have used.
Action. So think about this one, this splice. Okay. Now the next one is splice you are applying to this, the original one, this okay. But see, we are not specifying anything from where to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Elements will start. So what is the meaning? It is splice out everything.
The whole element. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But that change you will see. Okay. So the list 2 basically, so see, this is 2 print action. Okay. There is 2 print. Okay. So for this print already we got this one. Now the array elements are original list 1. So from the original one, it is splicing out everything. Okay, so that is the reason you are not getting anything there. Okay, so for first print. Then the second print, this is the list 2. So what they are splicing out? All the elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, because it is within the double quote, there is a space between the two elements.
Yes.
Is it clear? Think about the first program. Okay, first one also we have used splice function. Second one also, fifth one also we have used the splice function. Okay. So the correct option is A. If you have any doubt, you can mail me or Nancy, you can ask me. Okay. Correct option is A. And why A? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only Pooja and Sneha is telling. And what about others? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. Now, fourth one. We'll go back to the fourth one. See, this is, I taught you the chop function you can apply only on scalar, but you can apply on also in array. Okay, but see the output will be little different. Okay, chop function. Now here basically we are applying in scalar only. Okay. See this one. This one array. We have 1, 2, 4 elements. Okay, we have 4 elements in the array. QW, you know the meaning of QW. Okay, so now you are applying chop function to this array. Okay, so you will get some output here. Whether I have given, yes, I have given the print. Print $A. Okay, so for this print you will get an output, and before that there is this here we have given print option. Okay, now see what we are doing using for each function loop actually. So for each means each of the elements will be
Chopped.
chopped. Okay, so see correct the first one. This is order. No? Array means all the elements are in order. So that means first one will be the first. First one means program will take the first elements from the array. So now we are applying that this one oranges that this elements chop function these elements on this element. So definitely the last chop means it will remove the last letter. So that's why we are getting this one because we have given new line character. So next one is this second one. So that's why A's you are not getting. Okay. Third, fourth, similarly you will get this way, no? Fourth element. Now for this print, see, you have applied chop function on this array. Okay. But chop function will remove the whole one will take as an elements and it will remove the last one only. Okay. So that is we are getting for this one. No, I did some mistake.
Ma'am,
Actually,
I have some doubt in this program actually.
Actually, this is a mistake. Elements will be like this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what I was thinking.
Elements will be this one.
And the last one would be L.
This is again, this one will be, so I have to see. So this will be again, yes, you are correct, it will be. Anyway, which one is correct? If you omit this one, I will make this here. First one, why not second one? As here is as it is over here. Anyway, I'll just change this one. I will cancel this element equal to. Okay. Yes, there is a space also here. I have to give whoever appended this one, I have to give the number once. Okay. Element, this will be just one A because I didn't give things. Whether I have given this one or let me check the original one. No, same one. This is my mistake actually. Okay, so actual answer is this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I gave the correct justification for this, but I couldn't run because it was in a form, so I did not write down the correct program in the justification.
Okay, but I just randomly saw you got 25. I have to see the justification. I didn't see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see that this one. It will take some time. Huh? So this is actually, if you give this one element, probably then only it will come. Okay, this is not 1. This is L, no? Lowercase L. Okay. Anyway, this answer is removing the last one, last letter for this one, and when you are applying this job to an array, it will consider the last one only. Okay, so that's why for this print we got only the one element. I think it is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I have very less charge in my phone and I'll be thrown out very soon. So, ma'am, can you please discuss that language one question, the one which had the languages and the countries?
Do you mean this one?
No,
The multiple
no, ma'am.
where India had multi-lang and
Yes,
India
ma'am.
had Hindi, that one.
Yes, ma'am. This
Yes,
one.
ma'am, this one.
Okay. You have any doubt? Okay. So we have created one has value. Okay. No. Now see why this is that. See this should be unique. I said no. Okay. So here key is here also India, here also India. Okay. Basically, so this will be this first one will be the everything means only one will be considered. So that's why you won't get here. You won't get India multi-line this one. You will get Hindi because key should be unique, but here key is not unique. Okay. So this is this one, the last one only you will get. Okay. So this key, this is the key. Language of underscore this one means. So we are okay for keys. We are this is the function as function. We are applying this function on this variable. Okay, and this is a loop now for you are taking. So this is language of this is basically will be here. This mean what is the meaning? The variable that is taking the first that it is not in order, so it is taking some key. Okay, key and corresponding key. This is the country name is the key, and these are the language. No, so language you will get the from here you will get the corresponding language. Okay, so when you are printing, so you will get all except this one. Okay, by chance we got in order, I think. No, not in order.
No, not in order.
So this one you will not get. First one is the correct one because it is overwritten. India, because it is India and this India is not in. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why language of China. This is correct language. This is language. So this will be read as print. Language of this one. This is the country name and the corresponding language. Okay. So country language of China is Chinese. This one. Okay. The next one in random fashion. Language of French is language of France is French. Okay. So this is the key, this is the name and the country, country name, France, China, India, this is the country name and corresponding language. Okay. Now, the next one is, this is, we will be getting only one, India is, and this will be overwritten, this one, that multi-language, only one key that will be considered. In India and India, there is no unique key,
So,
correctly, this one is as variable is the key must be unique. I think some do you have some still you have some doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt. So, ma'am, the value of the key gets updated when we are trying to write another value the second time.
Yes, that is the thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Update it. Yes, correct one. Correct. Language of Spain is okay. Now everything will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, right line. You can see I have added this thing line. Okay. So this is the correct option. This and this first one is the correct option. Okay. So then we will go back to sixth one. Okay. Index, this one, okay. Index, did you understand index? Index, this one, sixth one. I think Pooja, you can explain.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, you can explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Or if you're interested, anyone can.
Sorry, ma'am.
Skip this one. Can you justify which one is the correct one? This is
Yes, ma'am.
14 is the correct one.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer and why?
Ma'am, because the scalar called scalar is a Perl programming language, and we are looking for this string called G, but we have mentioned the character from 13. So whenever my in this substring 2, I start looking for the string G in my scalar, I will always start the mentioned index that is given over here and not from the first index. Had I started from the first index, I would have found the first G, but that will not be possible because I've explicitly mentioned that I will have to start from index 13. So the immediate next, or if it had been in 13, then we would have got 13. But the immediate next index that we get for G is 14. So the answer will be 14.
Yes. So you have to see this is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. Okay. So it will start from here. Okay. G. So next G gets that its location is 14. Okay. So that's why the B is the correct option. If it is not given. Okay. So it's correct. This is, we are not specifying this one. Then first G, that will display the first, means you will get the location of the first G. That means this one. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But you are actually, we have specified this one. So it will start after that. Okay. The which one means. Okay. So that's why this is the correct option. Okay, see, index always start from the beginning. R index always from the end. Okay, so next program I have used R index. R index, the here, see, here we are, this is 80 we want. The location of 80. Location of 80, always it will start from, we have applied R index function variable, scalar variable, and we want to find out the location of 80. See, this is R index, it will start from here. Okay, so this is the location of A. Okay, only one position basically. So 80, so it will start from the end, but you have to count from here. Okay, so here also location is 13. If you start from there, but it will see the last one. Okay, not this 80 or not this 80, not this 80. First, sure, see, if you, here the location of A is, if you count from here, that is basically 30. So that's why again, this two are both are correct, but here see I have written lowercase l. So that's why B is the correct one. Although the location are 13, 13, both option, A and B, both option. But here you have to see location, this L is in lowercase. Okay, so this is the correct option. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So now eighth one, anyone can explain? Somnath is there? Or this, all these guys, Caroline, Catherine, can you explain the answer of 8? Which option is the correct one? And why? Who is there? Okay, Bablu is there. Bablu, can you, Shukriya, Bablu, any one of you? Or Nainika, Ishita? Computational biology, from computational biology.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Good, 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Eighth one.
First, yes, ma'am, eighth one. So, substring function you are using from the string DNA given, and we have to start from the index 7. So that is 0A, and we have to go from there, and GGG. 4 G's would come. Like from 7, we have to count 4 characters, like elements.
Here,
No, ma'am, before
this one.
to that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we have to, like, that would be the DNA1 string. So that is stored in sub str, that is equal to dollars and DNA1. That would be printed first. So 4 G's, option A. And then, yes, ma'am, same. But here we have to replace that with 3 C's. So not 4 C's. So here it is given 3 C's only. So that would be option A. The second is replaced one.
As it is, up to this one.
Yes, ma'am. 3 G's, and after that 3 C's and 4 A's.
So here, why it is not this one? Why it is the mistake? Oh, 3 G.
No, ma'am, that is 4 C's. It is there. That is not actually the
okay,
book.
that is not correct. 4 G is there. Okay, so this is the
Either
correct.
it is option A or C, but the order is first is substring and then the actual replaced string. So that would be option A.
Option. Now, did you understand, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So only Pooja and Sneha. What about others? Author?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, it is very difficult question. You tell me which one is difficult.
No, ma'am. I got this part.
Okay, good. Okay, ninth one. Ninth one is very easy. See, this is this you can do reverse function. It is reading from here. So this is the correct one. First one. Second one is also correct. Okay, but this is not the correct because minus 25 is not there. Now we'll see whether A or B are correct. Which one is correct?
B, I think.
B is the correct one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. B1.
Sorting, no, ma'am. From negative, then 0, then positive.
Okay.
No, ma'am. A is the correct one because sort
No, ma'am, A
function
is the
will
correct one.
numerically it can't sort. The sort function will not sort it numerically.
Which is the business that you do. Yes. Because see, so this one we can, this function you can apply only for
Alphabetic sorting.
So this one, which one you have to use? Did you remember?
Yes, ma'am. That second bracket, dollar two arrow sign and dollar B for ascending, and dollar B 2 arrow sign and dollar A for descending sorting.
Okay, just who answered the second one, no? B selected the option B. Please run this program. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please run and find out and see the PPT. I think third PPT. Go through the third, the lecture 3 PPT, or whether what is might be the array 3 or lecture 3. You just go through that one. PPT where I explain that array function. Okay, you see. Okay, Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please run this program. Or if you want me to run, let me run this one. See, then you will understand. This is 9. Everything I wrote and run the program, then I will see. Able to see? See this one? No? Able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
25, because this function will not short this alpha, means the numbers. Okay. This one, 10th one. This is also easy one. This is the index number only. This is the
Yes,
index,
ma'am.
this is the index number only. Okay. So you have these dinucleotides. The array elements are dinucleotides. So now, what we are doing here, the fourth one, -4 I have given. So -4 means we will have to start from here now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this element will retrieve the fourth element. Okay, CA. All everywhere CA is there, no? So CA, but we'll see which one is correct one. Okay, then next one is 0, means A, no? This is which one is the correct answer?
Ma'am, I think third.
Third one, okay? Third one. So this the second element is 0 index number. So the index number of A is index number of A is 0. 8. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. Okay. So it is there. No? Okay. Now next for the next one. Okay, so we are printing this one. Okay, so this is we got. Then the next print, see, -4. So again, this starting with this one, CA, -2. -2 means 1, 2. We will not start from 0 here. -1 means -1, -2. So this is CG. Okay, again -3. So CT to this one. So this option, this one is the C1 is the correct one. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is I already explained. Okay, then. Okay. This is also you can answer. Now see which it is true or false. Okay, this is here. Okay. Okay. So you have join or this one will be nothing. Okay. And you are displaying. See, we have applied join function on. This is applying on without assigning this all the elements into an array. We are directly writing. Okay. So join function basically you are applying to the list list of elements, and you are joining with this one is nothing, no? Okay. And print option join string is this one. Okay. So join string is this one, but why this is coming? Okay, no, we didn't give anything, no? So that is the reason there is no elements. Okay, so this is true actually. Option A. Will you agree with me? Correct or wrong?
So
Yes.
13th is false.
13th is okay. What is 13th false?
Ma'am, sort is not a hash function. It is array function. We can apply sort to the array we will get from keys or values.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, but we can convert the hash into array and then do the sorting.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that is the
That is possible actually. Delete also is there.
Yes, ma'am.
You can apply keys values also you can apply because this function actually you can after extracting the keys you can apply. But directly there is no function. But according to me, you can write true actually. When I added this function, I was also.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, going by your PPT, sort should be a function of hashes, but authorv makes sense too because we had to convert the hash into the array, like either by keys or by values in order to apply sort. We couldn't sort the hashes directly. So I don't know. I wrote true because I was like, I read the PPT.
Ma'am, I wrote true, but the gave explanation of like this is false. I got jumbled.
Both the way you are correct. So you can converting this one that is true. This is actually if we were written true or false. Okay, false another way false because directly you cannot apply this function.
So what to do here?
You will get the full marks. Whoever even who consider true and even who consider.
Yes, ma'am, because of the sort only I've also written false because I thought sort is not a direct function of hash.
That thought it came to my mind actually. Anyways, I'll see the justification what you have given. Okay.
Okay.
So which one is elements one? Is the problem? Means this one. And I'll see. And this is 13th. This one I'll see. Okay. Next one. It is false because they are not independent. They are independent scalar. Scalar are independent even within the array. Okay, so this is false.
Ma'am, it should be true now because it is array.
No, what a Perl array is sequence scalar values. Okay, so
Okay, yes. Yes, ma'am, I got it.
array. Okay, each one is scalar, no? Like a comma, or you write this one, or okay, a comma, 2, 3, G. These are the elements. Double quote will leave now at this moment. Okay, so these are the elements. So this is a scalar. Okay, so list of scalar. Array is a list of scalar. Okay, so this scalar means independent. A is not dependent to so that's this is basically indicate the scalar are
Indexed. Yes, ma'am.
Independent. Just if I use independent, then that is true. Become true. So this answer is false.
Yes, ma'am.
This is why false. This 15 answer is false. But why?
Ma'am, this is false because they both of them remove elements, but only one from the end and from the beginning.
But you can add more than 2 elements using the unzipped function.
Yes, ma'am.
But in that case, you have to specify which one you want to add. But here, pop and shift function, you do not have any option. Okay, so you can apply pop only like this way. Pop, like I think you have to give the right this one. Pop, then array, no? Okay, so you cannot write pop A or comma T. That is not the correct way to write. Okay, only if you have push function, you have to do. No. So that's the reason it is false. Can remove more than 2 elements. Can remove only the one elements from in the beginning of the. But if you apply 2 times pop, is it possible? No.
Yes, ma'am.
We have an array. Okay. You can apply pop. Again, pop on this. If you type capital, it won't work. Pop array. So again, another time you are applying pop. That time you can remove that variable. Okay. So that is the reason it is false. So you got all the answer. Did you understand? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This part, but we don't have time. One. Can I send you this one? This one. This is I made explicitly for sphere function. Okay, you can see different way. This website I took. Whether this is existing now, I don't know. We will forget about this one. Okay, so this one you go through. Next class, tomorrow I can take practical for you for this one. And for Friday, you are not free morning. For this is for MSc students. I can take 1 hour practical, 10:30 to 11:30. But MTech students, I have to repeat. Anyway, I can repeat on Friday. This one.
Friday, ma'am.
Friday you have practical class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Friday, this one I will teach. This you people please go through, both of you, MTech and MSc students. You go through this one, this PPT. But tomorrow we will practice. Okay, practice. MSc lab hour and for MTech students on Friday.
Ma'am, Friday is a Thursday is a holiday, no?
Yes. Thursday is holiday, no? But Thursday I don't have any class for you. I do not have practical, no? Thursday for you. Thursday is a holiday, Diwali. 5th actually Pondicherry state government is giving holiday for all the school colleges, but not for us. Still now not clear. 5th. Okay, so 5th we can conduct the class.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Like from 9:30 or from 10:30?
10:30 because Mohan will take up. I have to see to visit.
Okay, ma'am. So 10:30 to 11:30.
Friday, Friday, 10:30 to 11:30.
Okay, ma'am.
We have to start for Intech first year students class also. Tomorrow.
Ma'am, could you please share the internal first marks, ma'am?
Wait. After just seeing justification, we have to wait for 2 days. I have some important work. Then only I go through all this one. Because this is 43 plus 17 students. I have to go through everyone's justification. I have to see, and then only I can finalize the marks. Automatically it is there, but I need to see it one by one each paper what justification you have given. So please wait for 2 days. And you can fix your internal after 18th of November. Because second unit I will complete, second, third also half I will complete. Okay. If you don't want to, later we will discuss this one. Only this, we receive all of your this one attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
You can record. You can have your recording.
I'll stop recording.
Tell me, Pooja, something you wanted to ask?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from when will the hostels be available?
You were asked to come on from 6th December, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It will change actually. Yes. She left. If she comes back after lunch, no, I'll talk to her because she's the chief warden. I'll talk to her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So exactly, so we have to come on 6th December or 1 2 days before. I think we have to come on 6th December. Okay. The online, they will send you the full form. I'll see. I'll talk to her.
Ma'am, actually, for students who are arriving a little early, say on the 5th or on the 4th, since hostels might have just opened for the PhD scholars, would we get the hostels who arrive a little early, like two days before or 1 day before?
So I do not think so. This is anyway. I'll talk to her, and if she takes the class, you can ask her directly also. That is not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
If she do not come back today, he won't come back, and then tomorrow I will talk to her. Generally, she won't come back after lunch, but if she comes, her.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We will conduct a meeting regarding this your this one. Means, you have to allot into some new hostel, no? Anyway, I will talk to her today or tomorrow if she comes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Anything is she someone is asking?
Yes, ma'am, Ishita. Ma'am, actually, this is about the project meet. So, ma'am, today we have a class after this, and then some people have soft core class. I don't know if it will be possible. Ma'am, can we have it tomorrow during the second half of, like, we have a class allotment for your class only from 3:30 to 4:30.
3:30 to 4:30, I think I have class for, no, 1 minute. MTech students, when is class? Okay. For MTech first year, I have class from 1:30 to 2:30. Then Mohan students DC meeting and doctoral committee meeting from 3:30 to 4:30. And morning I am taking your class. So tomorrow is not possible. I don't
then,
know.
ma'am,
If it is, if she comes, that the meeting end around 4:30. I do not know when it will end. So if it ends around 4:30, we can.
Ma'am, then actually we have a class from 4:30 for research methodology with
From 3 o'clock.
HOD sir.
4:30 to 5:30.
5:30. Yes, ma'am. We don't know whether it will happen or not, but it's a scheduled class. So, ma'am, if not tomorrow, then can we have it on Friday? Because Thursday is a holiday.
Friday we can make it. Friday only for them I'll take assistant students. But
yes, okay, ma'am, then we can have it on Friday if you're free.
Friday I have for only MTech students class. Even MSc, MTech second year. MTech first year I do not have any class for them. Okay, then 5th. It's fine for me.
Okay.
I'll send you the link. 5th itself I'll send, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Dr. Dinakar won't take class. That day we can sit.
Okay.
It won't take much time, na? Half an hour we'll discuss how to.
Yes, ma'am. I just have few doubts I wanted to ask because I'm not being able to proceed with the work without solving those.
Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
After 4th, tomorrow leave. Tomorrow whole day I'll be very busy. 5th.
Okay, ma'am. It's okay.
5th.
Okay, ma'am.
And Anirudh, please send me the attendance.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
And Arnav is there? Arnav or Shubhas? Anyone? That for today only 39 joined. 8 students. See, if you on Anirudh is not a first is there.
Ma'am, I have taken for
Okay.
MTech.
Today this boy is not there, no? Or no, is not there, no? No. Anyway,
No, ma'am, actually, so many people left actually after the class.
okay, no problem. You have class, I think.
Yes, ma'am, we have lab.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
good evening.